In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put tables and databases side by side in Notion. If you want to make your Notion page look cleaner and more organized, placing tables or databases next to each other is a great technique. This is especially useful when you want to compare information, separate categories, or simply make better use of the space on your page. The good news is that it's very simple once you understand how Notion handles columns and blocks. Start on a standard Notion page. Click into an empty area so you are ready to add new content. Then type /table and select the table option from the menu. This will insert a table onto your page once it appears. You can click and drag the handles to create the table size you want. Take a moment here to adjust it so it matches the amount of information you plan to include. It doesn't have to be perfect right away, since you can always resize or edit it later. Next, you'll need to create the layout that allows two tables to sit side by side. To do that, type /column and choose the number of columns you want. In most cases, 2 columns works best, because it gives you a simple left and right structure that's easy to read. This step is important because Notion uses columns to control horizontal placement on the page. Once your columns are in place, go back to the table you created. Find the 6-dot icon next to the table block. This is the drag handle that lets you move the block around your page. Click and drag the table into either the left or right column space. As you drag, pay attention to the blue placement guide that appears. That guide helps you drop the table in exactly the right spot. After the first table is in place, repeat the same process for a second table. Create or select another table. Then use its 6-dot icon to drag it into the adjacent column. When you drop it into the open space, the two tables should now appear side by side. If the alignment looks slightly off, don't worry. Notion can be a little sensitive when dragging blocks. So sometimes it takes a second try to get the placement just right. Move slowly and watch the visual guides carefully. And that's it. Once both tables are sitting in their own columns, you'll have a much more structured layout that makes your page easier to scan and work with.